What is data visualization? Data visualization is about turning data into visual stories. Imagine a complicated spreadsheet filled with numbers. What if you could change that into charts and graphs? That's what data visualization does. It helps you see patterns and trends that you might otherwise miss. By doing this, it becomes much easier to understand what the data is trying to say. The importance of visualizing data. Why should you care about visualizing data? Well, it's all about making information digestible. When you present data visually, people get it faster. It's a handy tool for decision makers. Think about it. Would you rather skim through pages of numbers or just glance at a graph that shows you the big picture? Visuals can highlight key insights, showing relationships between data points. They also make it simpler to communicate your findings to others, especially if you're trying to convince someone of something. In essence, good visuals can tell a compelling story that's easy to grasp at a glance. Different types of data visuals. There are plenty of ways to visualize data, each suited for different kinds of information. Charts and graphs. These are the most common. Bar graphs are great for comparing quantities. Line charts show trends over time, and pie charts depict proportions within a whole. Maps. Perfect for showing data across geographical areas. Heat maps, for instance, use color gradients to reveal intensity or frequency in different areas. Scatter plots. Useful when you're exploring relationships or correlations between two variables. They're ideal for spotting patterns or outliers. Infographics. They blend visuals with information effectively, making complex data engaging. These can be especially helpful when you need to present data in a narrative format. By using the right type of visual, you can make your data more engaging and understandable, no matter who your audience is. With the basics of data visualization mastered, you're better prepared to tackle more complex data challenges and communicate your findings with flair. The science behind effective data visualization. How humans perceive visual information. Understanding how we see and interpret visual information is key to creating clear and engaging data visualizations. Our brains are wired to recognize patterns quickly. This ability helps us spot trends and outliers in visual data faster than if we were reading the same data in text. Shapes, lines, and colors work together to create a meaningful picture that our mind can process effortlessly. For instance, we can easily detect changes in a line graph or spot a larger section in a pie chart. It's all about making the data intuitive and accessible. The psychology of colors in data visualization. Colors play a crucial role in how we interpret visual data. They can influence emotion, highlight important information, and categorize data points for better understanding. The choice of color shouldn't be random. Instead, it should align with the message you want to convey. For example, green often denotes growth or success, while red can indicate a warning or a decrease. Mindfully using colors enhances comprehension and memory retention. In a sea of data, the right color can draw attention to what matters most.